Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
You are going to play penalty like small doctor and he's going to sing for the single ladies. Small doctor, welcome. I'll play penalty. The band, are you ready? You guys are going to dance. Oh, that's what you're supposed to do. The band, are you ready for the ball? Hey. I'm on the the Lord wants to give you a husband. Receive your husband. Receive your husband. You don't want to receive. What's the name? We will be neighbors. See us after the service. Sorry, after the show. Please hold our hands together. Can you take a picture with the couple? Let's take a picture with the couple. Please allow her to take a picture with the couple. Don't worry, climb up. A special bottle presented to the couple. Your past strong, bro. See what you do, Malaysia woman. See the product to it.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Gua TV is always the first to get there. So you just need to subscribe unless you'll be missing out. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.
And if any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Gua TV. You see the.
And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.